I'm Rob Geddes. I'm from the Australian Institute for Commercialisation. I first came involved with Gondwana when I met Curly some 6 years ago. He had this wonderful vision for a new facility for testing automotive vehicles and technology. And I came in contact with a new word for my lexicon, homologation, which is the testing of vehicles for on-road certification. Testing that they meet the standards, testing that they're safe, testing that they can do all of the things that the manufacturers want them to do. And that's been a very interesting journey those 6 years, working through from small beginnings to now a very significant project with international interest, international involvement. The project is being planned for the Toowoomba area, specifically around the Toowoomba Wellcamp Airport, around the industrial activity, the industrial park that's here, the inland rail, all of the other facilities that are being developed, the advanced manufacturing precinct that's coming up here, and all of the major international corporations that are basing themselves in this district. It's an amazing location to have this facility. Having an international airport at the heart of this industrial precinct, at this area where we're putting on two test tracks, two facilities with test tracks and laboratories and a research park. There's so much going on in this area, serviced by this international airport, so we've got direct contact with the world. Particularly direct contact with Asia, a short flight away, but then transfer to hubs around the world. This will actually bring international industry in the automotive mobility sector to this district. The interest that we have from international companies, major mobility companies, major automotive companies, major technology companies that service the new era of mobility, the technological era of mobility. That interest has just been amazing, and they are showing particular interest in being based here or joining the activities of research and development here at this Gondwana facility. And that's a wonderful opportunity in my mind, for local industry and for our youth and our professionals and our tradespeople in this area. Bringing that industry to Queensland gives so many different job opportunities, so much opportunity for innovation, so much opportunity to actually make a change in the future, steering the future of mobility. And that's a wonderful thing for Queensland. And I'll just a little bit more. The main area of interest that I have in this facility, in the Gondwana facility, is the research and development area. That taps into my 40-year background in designing products for manufacture and designing things for the market. And working with research and development, developing new technology, coming up with inventive ideas, patenting ideas, getting those ideas out to the market and making a difference in the marketplace. And I can see that happening here in conjunction with the world's mobility industry. The automotive industry at the moment is going through a massive transformation in terms of automation, in terms of sensing technology, in terms of control, in terms of safety protocols and safety equipment, and changing the way that we will actually move about, changing the way that people think about mobility. Mobility as a service, different business models. So there's so many different opportunities, so many different aspects to this that research can look into and work out different ways into the future, work out what's working well now, what's not working well, what might work well into the future, and developing a new way forwards into the future. Working with many of our universities, local universities, but in connection with and collaboration with international universities to do research. Working in collaboration with major industry, with tier one automotive manufacturers, with tier 1 technology manufacturers from around the world, working together with them to develop new technology. This is a major opportunity for Queensland, and a brilliant opportunity for all of those current school students that are going through their STEM or STEAM subjects with science, technology, engineering and maths, as well as design. Those students now have opportunities into the future working with major corporations, with major brands, and that's all coming as a result of this Gondwana project. So I take my hat off to Curly Freighter, who's the visionary behind all of this.